Text-to-speech, also known as speech synthesis, is a technology that converts written text into spoken audio using artificial intelligence voices. It allows any text to be read aloud, making content more inclusive and accessible. But how does text-to-speech work? Let's find out. Text-to-speech applications use AI algorithms to generate natural-sounding speech. These systems analyze input text and produce audio output that mimics human speech patterns. The latest developments include AI neural text-to-speech, expressive text-to-speech, real-time text-to-speech. AI neural text-to-speech utilizes neural networks for ultra-realistic speech. Some examples of AI neural text-to-speech are Azure Neural Text-to-Speech Service and OpenAI's text-to-speech. Expressive text-to-speech systems are designed to convey emotions and natural expressions in synthesized speech. An example of expressive text-to-speech is zero-shot expressive speech synthesis. Real-time text-to-speech refers to the technology that converts written text into spoken words instantly, with minimal delay. Some examples are NVIDIA's real-time text-to-speech, GitHub's real-time text-to-speech. Are you interested in knowing more about these text-to-speech tools, and in artificial intelligence in general? Check out the description of this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.